Standard templates allow you to use common business documents quickly. They can be used to create consistency in your documents within a team of writers or within your organization. So these templates basically help you to jumpstart your writing. To use these templates, you need to select Standard Templates under the doc icon. You see, FS Pro 2020 allows you to choose from 22 business document templates. For example, after a business meeting, if you need to submit a meeting minutes report, you could simply select this template. This template, consisting of suggestive maps and blocks, gets inserted into a new document. You could easily edit or add blocks and maps or simply add content to the document. Thus, templates help you create structured documents easily and quickly without much effort.